So we are walking to our nature study, and the walk itself is always an adventure, trying to keep everyone together because we've got kids who always want to be way ahead of everyone, and then we've got the stragglers, usually this one. So this is the little creek that we go to more often than we get to go to the one that we especially like, which is called Lehigh Parkway. But when you live in the city and you only have one car, you kind of have to take what you get. So this is where my kids like to go to look for fish and everything. And as you can see, they even made little makeshift fishing poles. So you can see these weeds are really overgrown here. It's hard to see them, but I do not go all the way down there. See, if you can see, there's steps here, and I don't go down the steps because last year I was standing at the top of these steps. I'm actually sitting on them right now, and a snake came out of a hole and almost like it did slither over my shoe. So yeah, I'm not gonna head down there. My kids are not afraid. It was just like a garter snake. It wasn't anything venomous, but still, I'm pretty squeamish with that stuff. So Mom stays up here while they go down there exploring. Yes, I'm a coward, I admit it. Hold on, Luke. I see. What is it?
I do not know. Where? Right there. That's a flipping frog.
What was it?
It's a water strider.
Oh, water striders. They actually walk on the surface of the water. The surface of the water has like a skin on it, and they walk on that.
Where's the one of
Well, yeah, kind of like Jesus, but not even close. I'm not really sure. We'll have to look it up when we get home. Okay, so now we are at a different part of the same creek because the people who own the property at the banks there are going to cut the grass. Well, they are cutting the grass right now. So we moved down, and I'm just so afraid of snakes, honestly. Oh my gosh. And then we've got Luke here. He has like no fear at all whatsoever. All right, and you know, the thing is that a lot of people around here, well, people, they're just not in touch with nature anymore like they used to be. Everybody's in their house all the time, watching TV, on their phones, on their tablets, on their iPads, and people just don't get outside anymore. So when people look at my kids doing stuff like this, I've had people tell me, oh, that water's dirty, but the fact is, I actually tested this water last year. Well, in our homeschool, we got a water testing kit, and we tested this water and the water from another creek, spring water, and our tap water. And we, believe it or not, this water and the water from the other creek both came up with less contaminants than our tap water. Yes, our tap water contains more contaminants than this. So no, I have absolutely no problem with my kids playing in this water, if they have to shower in tap water that honestly, some of the contaminants that it had actually exceeded the guidelines recommended by the EPA. I mean, it was ridiculous. So I would really recommend getting one of those water testing kits. It was really interesting, and it helped me to realize that, yeah, don't listen to what people say. It's just because they're not out there anymore, and people tend to just have an aversion to being out and doing things, getting dirty. And no, this is what kids need. So anyway, so as you can see, London is sitting there. She's writing in her nature study journal. And like I mentioned before, they all have like the option of bringing it with them or doing it when they go home. What are you doing, Luke?
I'm still trying to find snakes.
You're looking for snakes?
Yeah.
Always have at least one child looking for snakes. Kaylin, the one down there in the green shirt, she was looking for snakes before too. Bailey is using his makeshift fishing pole that he just made at home before we came today.
What are you doing?
He's looking for snakes.
Yes.
Now they just found a bunch of minnows here. Go ahead.
Mom, I'm gonna go in that tunnel, right?
Well, I don't want you too far in. I have to be able to see you. Oh, I can see fish swimming around in there. Not big fish, but there's a lot of them. Guys, yeah, there's a lot of minnows in there.
Mommy, can we go over there?
Where?
There. I don't think that's...
I really would prefer you not to. I would like to be able to see you.
I think I see there's something sticking out from the water. I don't know what that is, but something sticking out. You are gonna be my water trader. You're gonna be my pet.
Give me your hand. They're right up there. Taking my bait.
What, the minnows?
Oh, I see you right there. I see the minnow.
Guys, let's not go over here because they're fishing over here. Mommy!
Where are they fishing at?
Right here. Let's go to the fish.
Oh, okay. You mean Bailey's fishing. I thought there were other fishermen here.
Are you gonna go too far in the woods?
There's a crocodile. Uh-oh.
Can I go in like that tunnel right here? Like underneath here?
No, no. I would prefer for you just stay right in the water, okay?
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna take off my shoes.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Guys, that's not my shoes.
I can see a snake right over here.
Really?
Yeah. Look what they do.
You just need to be careful not to touch it because you don't know what kind it is.
Water snake. Water.
Well, no, you're going to not touch it because Dylan's not here and he's the one that I trust to tell what's what.
Let me see, guys.
There is or is not a snake?
Never mind, it's a stick.
It's a stick. False alarm.
When I looked at it, I knew that was just a plain old stick.
Here, a snake. London. Wait, Mommy, can we go over there?
What is your obsession with that bridge?
I love it.
Well, I said you can go like where I can see you. I don't want you going completely under the bridge. I need to be able to have my eyes on you.
Watch your step. There's gonna be snakes in there.
Yeah, there's probably gonna be snakes because guys, look at it.
I see something popping its head out, I think.
No, that's probably a crocodile.
Is that a stick or a snake?
No, that's
All the noise you guys are making is probably a stick.
I see that. No, please, that doesn't make sense. I know. Like this.
I see bubbles.
I'm gonna try one last time. Look at it.
I see bubbles.
Mommy, I need my shoes. Wait, Mom, I feel like
We'll go up and get it. Is the bug off of it?
I go over here.
Okay. Just be careful. Where's your other flip-flop?
Pineapple.
Oh, okay.
I'll go in a short one. What is your flip-flop? Patrick, what is the flip-flop? Let's go. I'm afraid.
There's nothing to be afraid of.
Dragonfly! I'm going this way. Why is the dragonfly
Guy, I bet you there's a snake underneath that big rock because there's so many bubbles just popping out.
No.
Yeah, like, that reminds me of like that has like a million bubbles. Teardrop.
Alright, help. Well, I don't know how much is on. 3, 2, 1, go! I didn't. We can go over there. Come on. Yeah, it's not super long.
Don't go over there.
Guys, go!
There's what? Why can't they go over there? Oh.
In here probably one. I'm going over here.
Look, you come in here. I think we see a snake.
Oh, there's giant spiders in there.
Look, it was just a snake.
I already know where a snake is, but
His hair.
no.
I want to try to find like a frog.
And it's only coming from one.
What are you doing, Luke? Are you writing about what you saw?
Yeah, I did. I found a water stray and the kid found a stick snake.
A stick snake.
No, a stick snake that is big.
Oh.
Because it was big snake,
They kind of look like black-eyed Susans.
What are they called? Black-eyed Susans?
I think so, possibly. I'll look it up. I'm not good with flowers. We'll look it up when we get home.
I'm gonna write. I like how to make flip-flops. If you guys know what those flowers are, leave a comment below.
Did you hear her?
I think I know what those are.
She said, if you guys know what those flowers are, please leave a comment below. Future YouTuber in the making.
Comment down below. Oh, never mind.
Bailey, if she doesn't want you to get her wet, don't get her wet. You've always got that one kid who just likes to make the other ones yell. See? Happens everywhere. You think you're alone? Don't. How come you're not in the water?
Because I want someone to swim with me.
You want someone to swim with you? Won't Kenzie?
Kenzie!
Summer, you want to come to the water with me?
Okay, sure.
I have to get down and get my flip-flops on. I don't like going in the water barefoot.
My flip-flops are right there. Wait, that was, I think I remember we had dropped in the water. Mommy, hello.
Hi.
I'm right here.
I see you. Kenzie Jean.
Oh.
I'm going to cross to the other side on this.
Come here. The side. It's not so long. Are you going down there?
Oh my god, that was a dragonfly.
Luke, I really don't like you being up there.
I saw someone's notebook, but there was like a dragonfly like dark.
We'll get the notebook before we go.
It's a really speedy dragonfly. It might not hurt as bad, but still gonna have
Luke.
I love you.
Jillian dragonflies. Alright.
Luke.
Oh, wait.
Kenzie. Oh my gosh, that scared me when she went up there. She is fearless. You're going to draw a fishy? Is that your nature study journal there? All right.
I love you. You're my best friend forever. What the heck? Where'd you get that
Let's walk down. Let's go in the building. What are you notebooking about?
Fishies.
I see a rock that hit.
Ow.
No, it's not alive. What did I pin to it?
Yeah.
I pinned like bees to it, butterflies, wasps. I had box elder bugs.
Were they alive?
Yeah, some of them were alive when I had to pin them. They told us that pinning them paralyzed them. I thought it was cruel that we had to do it for biology. And I actually did it in 7th grade
I see
too.
the eye.
Rest assured, I will never make you kids pin bugs to styrofoam.
I would do that. No.
Oh, yeah, Mama.
What?
When we went for a walk, I saw a bunny because the front door was open and from the back. I thought a bunny ran into the home and also one went into the backyard because it came right down the stairs. Look.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
When I went to Uncle Jerry's yesterday, there was a bunny and a squirrel, and they were sitting next to each other in the yard. Oops, sorry, Summer.
The one time,
Get it on?
the one time a little chipmunk
Uh-huh.
was gonna touch me, so I just froze like this at our grandma's house. I just froze like that, because it was like not even a foot, like,
Yeah.
like it was gonna rub against me, and I thought it had rabies.
Yeah,
If it goes really
that's
close to you.
yes, that's right. Good job.
Can I
Don't
do
let a
this?
wild animal get close
Can
to
I
you,
do
because
this
then that
now?
means something is probably wrong.